want to show you the water treatment system I just completed for washing my RV on the road. This is a 2019 Dutch Star. It had the factory generator hot water tap, and what I did is I spliced into that. You see up here, and I added over here, I added this valve, and then this red segment is what I've tapped into. Then I have a valve here to turn off, and then back at the other end of this red towards the back is the original valve to turn off that Newmar provided. The reason why I did all this was I wanted a way to be able to, first of all, make sure there is absolutely zero water up front during the winter, and then second, I wanted to use this water tap to supply my pressure washer. So what you see here, this T coming down and going over, that is fresh water supply coming from the hot water. And the reason why it's headed towards the other side is because I wanted to be able to turn the water supply on and off to the pressure washer from the door side where the pressure washer is. That line goes to a valve on the other side, comes back through, and goes into tank 1. Up here at the top, this far one right there. And then tank 1 connects to tank 2, and then tank 2 to 3, and then finally tank 3 heads over to the pressure washer on the other side. Now, you don't need 3 tanks. Originally I started off with just the 2, but I have extremely bad water, and I made a mistake taking my separate beds and running them in a upflow rather than downflow, which caused one of the tanks to become a mixed bed. So I decided to order a 3rd tank, put that good resin that was all mixed as my first, and then 2 separate tanks with the separated resins going through it. So I'm going to just show you a little bit of what that does. Where I am in Texas, we have what I would consider to be terrible water. This is water coming directly from the generator side, and then I've got this little water meter that measures parts per million. And what I'm going to do is turn it on. We see it's registering a 0, and then I'm going to just put it in this bucket here. $483. It's actually a good day for us. Usually I'm in the 500s. So then I have water that came out of the pressure washer end. Actually, I hit clear. Let me go back here and show you this, because you don't have to hit clear. All right. $473, $480. Now I'm going to just mix it in here. And I'm getting 1 to 2. A couple readings have been 0. It tells me that it is doing its job very well. I'll just come around over here to the other end, show you the opposite side of what I did with the pressure washer. This is my pressure washer. I've got it on a drip tray. Up here is my spool. Right here on the top is that valve that I was talking about that lets me turn it on and off curbside. And that's all there is to it. If I ever hit love bug season and need to wash on the side of the road, I can safely do that without having to get to the opposite side of the coach and be able to keep the windshield clean. It looks like it's time for a clean job. So that's it for now.